Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the video and any existing transcript. This saves time. Once done, create a sequence that matches your clip's resolution and frame rate so captions align. Make sure the text or captions workspace is open. This gives you the caption panel. If you don't have a transcript, use Premiere's speech-to-text to generate captions automatically. Begin by placing the clip on the timeline and locking track heights for accurate timing. This prevents misalignment when you add captions. Next, run speech-to-text and create a transcript from the clip. This gives timecodes and text you can convert. Once the transcript is complete, click Create Captions to make a subtitle track. Now convert the text into Hinglish. Edit each caption directly in the Captions panel, replacing words with Romanized Hindi where needed. Preserve timing. Make sure lines are short for readability, about 32 characters max per line, and split long sentences into 2 captions for better viewer comprehension. Finally, style the subtitles for clear Hinglish reading. Pick a legible sans serif, set size and contrast box, and place captions within the safe title area. Export options. Embed captions in the video, export a separate SRT, or burn them in if platform compatibility is a concern. If you notice timing drift after edits, nudge caption clips on the timeline or rerun speech-to-text alignment for the affected segment. Troubleshooting tip. When captions disappear, toggle the captions track visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.